Stop GTA 5 crashing due to RAM XMP profile and memory overclock issues. Facing frustrating freezes from unstable memory settings. This guide offers 4 critical methods to stabilize your system fast. Method 1. Reset your XMP profile. Enter BIOS, find memory settings, disable XMP or DOCP. Set frequency to auto save reboot. This fixes instability by returning RAM to safe speeds. If that fails, method 2. Update your BIOS and drivers. Identify motherboard, download latest BIOS, flash it. Then install newest GPU drivers cleanly. Retest GTA 5. Still crashing? Method 3. Manually adjust memory timings and voltage. In BIOS, locate advanced memory options. Slightly increase DRM voltage, adjust timings carefully. This tweak provides crucial stability. Finally, method 4. Verify your GTA 5 game files. Through Game Launcher, right-click GTA 5, select Verify Integrity of Game Files. This repairs corrupt files. Loading in-game graphics helps. Apply these fixes and enjoy uninterrupted GTA 5 gameplay.